so that we can try to minimize the loss that can usually happen during a situation like this. So on that note, the National Disaster Management Office here in Suva, together with the divisional commissioners, together with the operation centers, they are all now activated on skeleton basis as of this evening, so that we would be able to take care of any issue that may come up. And we rely very closely with the police force and also the Fiji military forces in this. They have also been formed, so that we can be able to take care of what is there during this weekend, especially as we go into the 2016. Hovering towards category 2. Category 2, but based on the forecast by the Met Office in Nandi, there will perhaps be flooding in low-lying areas. We will have not so much that wind effect that we can have on category 3 or 4, but it is good to prepare the nation now as we move into our new year.
What is the speed of
the speed of the cyclone at the moment? I think it is at it's slow moving. It's slow moving at the moment. But at the moment, it's out of the Fiji range. But we are preparing the nation now to ensure that when it comes to us during the weekend, we are prepared.